Read&Write is a Chrome extension that, among other features, provides text-to-speech in Google Docs. This feature is useful in the reading of a text and in the revision and editing phase of writing a text. The Read&Write extension needs to be installed in the Chrome browser. When activated, it provides a toolbar across the top of the Google Doc you're working on. There are many assistive technology features in Read&Write. We will focus on text-to-speech. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text you want to read. Press the play button in the toolbar, which is the triangle pointing to the right. To pause, click the parallel bars next to the triangle. And to stop, click on the square. On the far right of the toolbar are 3 dots. I will left click and then select Settings. And with the Speech tab, I can choose my voice of preference from several to choose from. And I can also choose the speed of the cadence of the voice that's speaking for me, to choose something that's more comfortable for what I want to play. So I'll demonstrate that right now using the text-to-speech. I will click here to put my cursor in place, and I will press the triangle to play.
In revision and editing, selecting a section of text at a time and having the computer read it back to you provides an opportunity to listen and think about. Does this say what I want it to say? Does this make sense? Do I need to rephrase this to make it clearer? Is information missing? Is there a run-on sentence? When we reread things back to ourselves, we often read what is supposed to be there rather than the actual text. Having the computer read it back allows us to really listen and think about what we have written.